like your knee, like on one of these, you actually keep it down instead, especially if you have a big, huge camera with you. So, but you guys are more than welcome to jump in. You're gonna jump in the back seats of them, standard seat belt.
Oh, this is...
One of those black cattle right next to you, that's how you go. You push all the way forward to go, slightly off, if you want to slow down, and you pass halfway to full on brake.
Seatbelt? What? I guess. I don't know where the other side is.
Oh, it's right by your right hip. Right
I'm like...
other...
A little lower. It's gonna be right here.
Oh, it just goes in there.
Yeah.
I have the same issue on an airplane. It's all the same. All right, so I just push forward?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting. All right. And that's kind of it?
Billy can actually let go. You only see it push down and go down now.
Okay, cool. All right, we're doing the mountain roller coaster. Yeah. Supposedly, I don't have to push anything once I get here. All right, that's kind of cool. Here is 80 feet. Down is go, back is stop. Fair? And he said maximum you probably get is 25, 28 miles per hour. So it's not like an adrenaline ride, you know, but still should be fun. And it's super pretty. Super pretty. All right, I'm gonna be quiet. You guys can enjoy the views. Do not bump. I don't know what that even means. I'll push it down because he said you hold it when you're going down. Woo! Shoo! And connect it again. Sweet deal. I should have put it on my head. Then I could have looked around and showed you guys. Oh, it's almost a down happening. We're close. Do not stop. All right, so make sure we're pushing forward. And do not bump. What the heck is... Oh, I bet it's... If there's a cart in front of you, make sure you don't stop and let somebody else bump you in the behind. All right, down we go, Ernie. Down we go. Too bad there's not a way to, like, lock that in. Oh, well. It's all good. Here we go. It's very peaceful. Very peaceful. Corner. You get going fast enough. Fast enough for it to be enjoyable. There's a couple of mosquitoes that you run into. Hat down so that your brim keeps you, you know, from falling off. What does it say? Slow? Oh, it slows for you. So you don't even have to do the slow. That's cool. That's cool. You got the sweet job. Oh, that's a stop.
You can just let go and fucking hop off.
Cool.
How was it?
That was good. Yeah.
And that exit's right there.
Thank you, man.
Awesome. Have a good one.
Thank you too. All right, so that was it. The mountain coaster. Super fun. Super fun. If you're here, go do it. Nothing to be scared of. The hardest part is probably the walk back to the actual hotel. Yeah.